So of course, you know, being safe and everything and driving on the speedway, you're gonna need both hands on the wheel, you know? So, upon saying that, we are going to resort to the hat cam. Let's do this.
Please stand clear of the doors.
What's up, freaks? Your pal Al here, and today we're visiting the Freak Out Vault and journeying back to 2018, the time just before the TRON construction took over and the Tomorrowland Speedway was altered forever. So sit back, put on your seatbelts, and remember, let's freak out. Almost here, so we're going to go ahead and take a ride on Speedway. Let's freak out. Go Gadget, hat cam. Places right there, people. Rounding Space Mountain, coming in for the win. I'm number one. I'm number one. Oh shit. Hey, one thing, this ride will definitely give you a leg workout. I got my leg day in. I got my specific leg day in. I might have to. Whoa. All right, I might have to switch legs here. All right, no, that's a little difficult. We're not going to do that. All right. And we're coming in for the win. This ride is a classic ride. Classic ride. ridden the raceway at the Magic Kingdom, you really should, because it is a classic ride. Very classic ride. And it hits the spot. That was a lot of fun. Well, that was really good times. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, suggest that you do so, because we got reviews just like this one and a whole lot of other fun things that come up in the great state of Florida. Not just Disney, but for right now and for today, I say that we've had our freak out, and now it is time to pass out. We'll see you real soon. I'm gonna be famous on them YouTubes.